Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix connection issues on WhatsApp on Android phone. This kind of problems generally occur while sending or receiving chats or uploading and downloading photos or videos from WhatsApp. The main reason behind this is poor internet connection. So if you are also facing this same issue and looking for fixes, then go through this video guide.
First, you need to restart your device once. For that, you simply need to press power and volume up button and now click on restart. This will restart your device. After your device restarts, now check if the connection issue is fixed. If not, the second solution is to turn mobile data on. So make sure your mobile data is enabled from here, and after that check if connection issue is resolved. If not, make sure to enable or disable flight mode. See, here you can see airplane mode. Simply click on it to enable, and after few moments again disable it and then check if the connection issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to turn data saver off. For that, go to settings over here, search for data saver option C, and now you can see data saver option is turned off. So if it is enabled, simply turn off from here and then try to check if the connection issue is resolved while accessing WhatsApp or not. Next solution suggested is to update WhatsApp. For that, you simply go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp. Now here check if there is any update available. If there is any update available, simply click on update option, and after your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, now check if the issue is resolved. Next solution suggested is to check your device operating system. For that, go to settings, go below, click on system update option over here. Here you should check if there is any update available. If any update is available, simply click on the update option, and after your device operating system is updated, try to launch the WhatsApp app and then check if the issue is resolved. So the next solution is to turn data roaming off. For that, go to settings, click on SIM card and mobile network over here, select your SIM, and after that you can see allow data roaming option is disabled. So if it is disabled, then well and good. Otherwise, if it is enabled, then simply turn it off and then try to launch the app and check if connection issue is resolved. Or else you can also connect to any other Wi-Fi if possible, or hotspot, and then check if the connection issue is fixed or not. So these are some of the best solutions suggested to fix WhatsApp connection issues on Android. So that's all for now. Thank you.